Look closely at the footage playing on your screen right now. What you are witnessing is not a standard automotive safety protocol. It is an absolute act of engineering violence. For decades, traditional Western automakers have conditioned us to believe a convenient lie. They have taught us that a 5-star safety rating, earned inside a sterile, brightly lit laboratory, is the ultimate proof of a vehicle's integrity. They crash a car into a perfectly flat, static wall at exactly 64 kilometers per hour, analyze the data from a plastic dummy, and hand out a golden certificate. But out here, in the real world, physics does not play by laboratory rules. The physics of a catastrophic accident do not follow a predictable script. Real accidents are chaotic, multi-directional, and possess levels of kinetic energy that make traditional crumple zones completely irrelevant. The Zeekr 8X is a machine born from a completely different, almost brutal philosophy. To understand why this specific vehicle is currently rewriting the global rules of automotive survival, we have to look past the aggressive exterior design and the hyper-luxury cabin. We have to strip away the sheet metal and look at its skeletal structure. The engineers behind the Zeekr 8X didn't just want to pass a standardized European or American crash test. They wanted to build a vault, a moving fortress capable of surviving extreme, unpredictable, and devastating kinetic energy. Welcome to the forensic breakdown of the Zeekr 8X. Today, we are going to dissect the metallurgical secrets and the physics-defying structures that allow this Chinese SUV to survive impacts that would obliterate its Western rivals. Let's start with the most visceral and shocking visual from Zeekr's testing division. A massive, fully loaded commercial shipping container, weighing thousands of pounds, dropped directly onto the roof of the 8X. In a conventional SUV, a dynamic top-load impact of this magnitude results in an immediate and fatal structural collapse. The laws of physics dictate that the A, B, and C pillars will buckle under the sheer weight. The roof will cave directly into the cabin, and the survival space for the occupants is instantly erased. The kinetic energy of a falling container doesn't just push straight down. It violently twists and distorts the entire frame of the vehicle. So, how does the Zeekr 8X walk away from this apocalyptic scenario with its cabin architecture perfectly intact and the passenger doors still completely operable? The answer lies in an obsession with extreme metallurgy and revolutionary load path geometry. The core of the 8X's passenger cell is forged from ultra-high-strength thermoformed steel. We are talking about materials rated at an astronomical 2,000 megapascals. To put that number into perspective, the pressure hulls of modern military submarines use steel with less tensile strength than the pillars protecting the occupants inside this luxury SUV. But incredible steel is entirely useless if the transferred energy has nowhere to go. The true genius of the 8X's architecture is its integrated 3-layer structural ring. When the container impacts the roof, the immense kinetic energy is not absorbed by the roof panel alone. The force is instantaneously channeled away from the center, traveling down the ultra-rigid A and B pillars, and dispersed directly into the massive side sills and the heavily reinforced floor pan that houses the battery. The car essentially uses its own immense weight and rigid base to anchor the cabin against the crushing force from above. It is an unbroken ring of defense. The doors open effortlessly after the drop because the structural geometry simply refused to warp. Structural strength is what protects you when a catastrophic collision is utterly unavoidable. But what about the technology designed to prevent the disaster from happening in the first place? Look at the Zeekr 8X being driven at over 120 kilometers per hour through an artificial Category 11 typhoon. We are looking at hurricane-force crosswinds combined with torrential, blinding rain, mathematically designed to completely destabilize a high-riding, heavy SUV and send it violently off the tarmac. for a traditional internal combustion vehicle or even a legacy EV. Hitting a wall of wind and standing water at these speeds causes immediate hydroplaning and a terrifying loss of traction. The driver panics, overcorrects the steering wheel, the weight shifts violently, and the vehicle rolls over. But the Zeekr 8X doesn't rely on human reflexes. It is equipped with what the engineering world is calling the first 4S level AI digital chassis. This isn't your standard reactive electronic stability control system that only kicks in after you've already lost grip. This is an active predictive artificial brain constantly reading the road surface and the aerodynamic forces attacking the vehicle. When those brutal crosswinds hit the side profile of the 8X, the AI system detects the micro-shifts in the car's trajectory in a matter of milliseconds. It instantly commands the continuous damping control, the CCD shock absorbers, to independently stiffen on the leeward side, while simultaneously dropping the suspension height by 15 millimeters to physically lower the center of gravity and cheat the wind. At the exact same time, the electric motors micro-adjust the torque delivery to individual wheels, countering the push of the storm. The car literally leans into the wind, gripping the wet tarmac with artificial intelligence. It neutralizes the threat faster than a human brain can even process that a threat exists. If you want to find the true weakness of any electric vehicle on the road today, you look at its sides. In the realm of EV engineering, there is one scenario that terrifies designers more than anything else: the high-speed lateral pole impact. Unlike a frontal crash, where you have a massive crumple zone under the hood to absorb the blow, a side impact leaves only a few inches of metal between the striking object, the passengers, and the highly volatile high-voltage battery pack. If a steel pole penetrates the battery casing, the individual cells compress, short-circuit, and trigger an uncontrollable thermal runaway, a chemical fire that burns at thousands of degrees and cannot be extinguished by normal water. Zeekr's approach to the side impact test is nothing short of absolute overkill. They subject the 8X to brutal lateral crashes at speeds that would tear a normal car in half, and yet, the battery remains completely uncompromised. No fire, no explosion, no catastrophic structural failure. How did they achieve this? By implementing a highly calculated philosophy of sacrificial architecture. Instead of just adding more heavy, dead-weight steel, Zeekr utilizes advanced multi-cavity extruded aluminum structures along the side sills of the chassis. These are incredibly complex, honeycomb-like metallic profiles specifically engineered to collapse in a perfectly controlled, mathematical sequence. When the pole strikes the side of the 8X, these aluminum structures act like a high-tech kinetic sponge. They crush, fold, and absorb the massive spike in G-forces. They literally sacrifice themselves to drain the kinetic energy before it can ever reach the battery casing. The structural failure is kept entirely isolated from the volatile chemistry of the battery. To truly expose the limitations of Western automakers, Zeekr decided that a single crash test wasn't enough. In real-world highway pileups, a car isn't just hit once. It gets hit, spins, gets hit again by another vehicle, and then slammed into a concrete barrier. Traditional cars are designed for one impact. Once the crumple zones are crushed, the car has zero remaining ability to absorb a second or third blow. The rigid passenger cell becomes the next crumple zone, and that is a death sentence. Zeekr engineered the 8X to survive what they call the 7-stage continuous safety challenge. We are talking about a cascade of kinetic violence. First, a 35 km/h underbody scrape test to ensure the battery plate doesn't shatter. Then, a 60 km/h lateral impact. Immediately followed by sequential front and rear high-speed collisions, simulating a massive highway pileup, ending with a 90 km/h frontal annihilation. The 8X survives this sequential trauma because its energy-absorbing paths are entirely compartmentalized. The front collision beams don't compromise the integrity of the side sills. The rear crumple zones fold independently without warping the main cabin ring. Even after taking multiple devastating hits from different angles, the 8X's core structure holds firm. The A, B, and C pillars do not suffer structural failure. The doors can still be opened. This is not just a car. It is a meticulously calculated survival pod, designed for the absolute worst-case scenario on modern roads. But what happens inside the cabin during these catastrophic events? A rigid chassis is useless if the internal G-forces are high enough to snap a human neck. When the Zeekr 8X detects an unavoidable impact, the internal safety systems execute a choreography of preservation in a fraction of a millisecond. It starts with the seatbelts. The 8X uses a dual redundancy system, an electronic pretensioner combined with a mechanical pretensioner. Before the metal even begins to bend, the belts violently pull the occupants back, pinning them perfectly against the seats to ensure they are in the exact optimal position for airbag deployment. And then, the Cocoon deploys. The 8X doesn't just feature standard airbags. It utilizes a massive 117-liter, ultra-large dual-wing airbag system. This isn't just a cushion, it is an enveloping shield. It wraps around the passengers, providing full volumetric protection. The super-long curtain airbags deploy across the entire side of the vehicle, remaining inflated longer than traditional systems to protect against secondary impacts and rollovers. The car effectively builds an impenetrable wall of deployed safety measures around you, isolating the fragile human body from the brutal physics ripping the exterior of the car apart. When the dust settles, the smoke clears, and the metal stops twisting, the Zeekr 8X doesn't just sit there as a dead piece of machinery. The internal AI immediately takes over. The system automatically triggers the ECAL emergency protocol, establishing a direct connection to a human operator. The high-voltage electrical system instantly cuts off to eliminate any risk of electrocution, and the door handles automatically unlock to ensure rescue teams have immediate access. What we have analyzed today is not just a review of a new electric SUV. It is a wake-up call to the entire global automotive industry. Zeekr hasn't just built a safe car. They have completely weaponized the concept of passenger safety. They have taken the standard Euro NCAP rulebook, thrown it out the window, and replaced it with a standard that borders on military-grade engineering. For the traditional automakers sitting in Germany, Japan, and the United States, this is a terrifying reality check. The Zeekr 8X proves that the era of simply passing a lab test is over. The Chinese automotive industry is no longer playing catch-up. They are setting the absolute benchmark for how a vehicle should protect human life in the most extreme conditions imaginable. The laws of physics haven't changed, but the engineering required to beat them just reached a level the West is not prepared for.